my channel. Ula just kind of sort of helped me get the lighting and everything going on. I am so tickled pink when I tell you. My face is kind of half done. I know this because today, my darlings, we have Fenty Beauty. Yes, darlings, we have Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out cream blushes as well as what? Cream bronzers. Fenty Beauty, thank you very much for the PR. I am so grateful. They also sent me a brusher loops. Let me just see whether I can focus this. There you go. Do you see the focus? Let me show you the brush. There you go. Voila. We're going to take this out. I am living for it. I already have a Fenty brush, which I had bought with my own coin. Right here, and this is more of like a kind of like a contour, I think. So maybe I'll use this for the blush and use this for the contour or for the bronzer, as they say. Alrighty, so these are the bronzers. It says cream. Let me just turn it around. It says cream, my darlings, and they had 7 shades. Yes, they had 7 shades of bronzers, and they were so generous as to send me two, my darlings, of the darker shade, number 7 and number 6. Their names are number 7, Toffee Teas, and then the Chocolat. That's number 6. Let's open them up. Number 7. This is number 7, guys. Look. Quite yummy, I think. And then number 6, which is Toffee, is also kind of interesting. Let us see, because they say that these are bronzers. Bronzers Cheeks Out. These retail for $32. Fumi, why are you shouting? Did I introduce myself? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, hello and welcome. Positive vibes, light, laughter, and love all day long. That's what I live on. A little bit of salad. As you can see, I'm losing weight. But that's another episode. And then we have the Cheeks Out. They sent me the entire collection, and those were 10 gorgeous, gorgeous little blushes. Look at them. So adorable. Look at another one. Very adorable. Look at another one again. So adorable. They sent me 10 of these, and these retail for $20. Yes, my darlings. So what are we going to do today? We are going to try the blushes on. I'm from old school. I used to model in the 90s. And I don't know, some of you might know, ask your mama, you took your lipstick, you rubbed it on your cheeks, a little bit on your eyelid, and you were good to go. Because they didn't have stuff for us, so we had to improvise. So for me, when they said cream, I was like, you can put it on your lips, you can put it on your lid, you can do anything. Cream blushes are fun because really, are we going to have a summer this year? I don't even know. But it's for you to have that sun-kissed look. That sun-kissed look. I forgot my earrings. Let me put it on. I'm a mama. I'm improvising here. Let me try and be fab. You're lucky that I even put on my eyeshadow and lashes, because even that in itself. Okay, so in those days, that's what we did. And like I said, this is very much, look at the cream. I love that it has the cream on the packaging. It's so cute. Look, it's so cute. It's for that sun-kissed look. It's for that sun-kissed look where you have your sarong, you have your flip-flops, you've got your sunglasses on, you want to put a little bit of blush with your fingers, with a brush, anything, and you're good to go. But because I'm a pro loops, I'm going to show you how you can do this and how you can do this with a full face, okay? That's why half of my face is done. Okay, now before we start, I'm under the impression that you would like to have swatches, yes? And that's not too bad for me. That I can do for you guys. Let me just open all of them up for you. I'm going to start with Rose Latte. This is the color of Rose Latte, yeah? I'm going to put my arm up and I'm just going to swatch it right there, yes? So that is Rose Latte. See? It's very sheer. Let me put a little bit more. There you go, so that you can see it. There you go. So that is Rose Latte. creamy, soft. You can have it sheer, you can build up. That's the first shade, okay? One of my all-time favorites, because you know that I love red. This, my darlings, is called Dunkery Dip. And this looks like a nice, yummy red. So let's rub that in and let's swatch it right here. There you go. Are we living or are we living? That looks very adorable. Okay, we're going to put this one to the side because I have a funny feeling I just might be using this, okay? And I have my wipes to the side so that I can wipe my hands. The next shade that we are going to go for is called Bikini Martini. Do you see what I'm talking about, guys? All of these beautiful drinks that you're supposed to be having on vacation. A vacation that I'm not sure we will have. Oh God. All right, so I'm going to put that there and there. So it's very purple, very pink, and extremely pale on me. Yeah, I want you to have an authentic vibe. Yeah, and it's actually pink. It's just, I think that it's my lighting. Drama Class. Yes. Alrighty, so we have Drama Class, and that's a purpley, as you can see. Very much like the shade that I'm wearing. I'm wearing Adrian from my palette, and I'm going to swatch it right here, and that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. It really, really is a very, very interesting shade. There you go. Can you see? So it's got that kind of purple feel to it. Petal Popping. Yeah, Petal Popping also is like a very creamy pink shade. We're going to try that out. Rub, 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 a dub, dub. And then I'm going to put it down here. And there you go. And it's very pink. It's a pinky, much, much more pinkier than this one. This is more mauve. And this is truly pink. Yeah. We have Crush on Cupid. Crush on Cupid is a richer pink. We have lots of pinks coming up in here. And like I said, you can use this as a lip as well. There you go. Another pink. Let me just put it in a little bit more for you guys. See? Voila. Boom, 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 boom. Fiancé Flush is very much like a mustard. Can you see it? So we're going to try that out and see what we are working with up in here. Voila. Yup. It's very yellow, very mustardy. And I tell you this right here, I would mix this and I would also put this on the lid. Yeah, I would put this on the, well, you can see I have yellow. What a coincidence that is. Yeah. Okay. Cocoa Berry. Cocoa Berry is the next one. See, it's a little bit mauve, it's a little bit brown. It looks very interesting to me. Yuppie doo. And that, darlings, is Cocoa Berry. What do we think? Let me just bring it up close. So lots of pinks, lots of mauves. And we have swatched already 8. We've got 2 more to swatch. And this one right here is called Strawberry Dip. Another pink, very Miami-ish. Let me bring it forward for you. There you go. Whoosh. Yeah, okay. So let me swatch that. And we're going to put this right up here to the side. Yeah. Strawberry Dip. See? Very, very, very pinky shades. That is what I will tell you, my darlings. The last but not the least is Summertime Wine. Summertime Wine. Hello, darling. Hello. And we're going to put that there. There you go. And that is really pretty, actually. That is a really pretty color. So if you can see, these are all the shades of the blushers. And I am going to use this because I'm deep and I'm dark. And you know, this is just going to come off looking gorgeous. So I haven't put on anything, but I just want to show you what I'm talking about. Yes, let me use Strawberry Dip. Let us say that you don't have anything on your skin, nothing at all. You can take with your finger, you're at the hotel, you don't have much makeup, you can just put a little bit onto your cheek. Bum 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 bum. Smile if you have to. Just a little bit like so. Put a little bit with your finger. Voila. I'm rushing out. Darling, I'll be down in a minute. And then put a little bit on your lip. There you go. Do you see? So this can work in a million ways. You just put a little bit of concealer underneath and you're good to go. That is why these cream blushes for me, like they're like kind of sort of second nature, because we did this way back in the 90s and they have brought it back. Do you see? Just a little picker. Put your sunglasses on. Let me go get some sunglasses. Da, 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 da. Like I said, put your sunglasses on and you are good to go, because that's what it is. It's beach, it's fun, it's summer. Now, we're gonna do it differently just to show you, yes? And again, because it's cream, you can smudge it away. You can smudge it away. The Milk Hydro Pro Primer. I'm gonna take a little bit. Da, 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 da. Ooh. Voila. And then, my darlings, we are going to take the Sleek Be Beautiful Blemish Balm. Voila. Just put a little bit on, see? And I'll take my brush. And this is just a little bit of cream, just to give it a little bit of color. Not too much. Yeah. That's it. And I'm going to take the Fenty foundation, Pro Filthy 450. Woohoo! Just put a little bit. We're not doing too much. We're not doing too much today. Put a little bit on the forehead. There you go. Not much. Just a little bit. Voila. I'm going to try the cream. I'm going to try number 6. And this is the chocolate. I'm just going to swirl my brush in and just see, because it does look dark. They said bronzers, but why am I getting the feeling of contour? So this one is a little bit, let me just see. Let me just put a little bit in. It's a little bit light. It's a little bit light, Bougie. It's a little bit light. So we're going to go in with the darkest shade. Thank you, Fenty. So considerate. All right. So let us put a little bit of this on the bronzers and see. And this is nice. I like it a lot. It's rich. It's very rich. It's cool toned, but it's giving me, see, can you see it? It's giving me exactly the kind of payoff I want. Do you see it, my darlings? So let me just put it a little bit on the other side just to see. And these are for my really, oh, look at that. Yeah, and it's got a little purple in there. So we're gonna do that right in. And then we're going to use the Fenty contour brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. And it blends nice. It really does. Yeah. So, you know, you can do this and you're kind of sort of good to go. All right, you know what it is? I'm kind of sort of excited. Let me try and use this on the nose and see how that pays off. Let me get a little brush and let me not get too excited, and let me try this. Now this is the darkest color, yeah? So let me just bring that in and bring it down. I think I'm living for this. Yes. Yes. And you can even just press it onto your nose. That gives me life. All right, so you know what? This is, I'm living for this. This is yummy, 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 yummy. All right, so what we're going to do, we are going to do a little bit of concealer. So let me just use Juvia's, and this is Benin. I'm going to put a little bit underneath here, just to keep that looking gorge. We're going to dab. Yep. Even put some in front there. Yeah, absolutely. And then I'm going to take Dankoe dip. I'm going to take Dankoe dip and the brush so that you guys can see the demonstration. Dankoe dip, here we go. And just push it on in there. And I love it. It is so cute. So, so cute. Yep. Let me put a little bit onto my forehead right there just to give it life. Ooh, da-do. Okay. And then, you know what we're going to do? You know what we're going to do? We are going to set it. Take a brush, because you can set this. Remember, you have to set your under eye. Take your loose powder, put it onto your hand, get the excess off, and just dab. And just dab it over. This is what we used to do when we put lipsticks onto our cheeks. That's what we did. So we put the lipstick on, and then we put powder over it to set it. Voila. And there you have your cream blusher. So you can use this anyway. And then what you can do, I have a pressed powder here also. This is Iman. There you go, Iman. You just take it like so, and you just go over. I like it. Then I'm going to take Dankoe dip again. This is pretty. And there you have it, my darlings. There you have it. I love this very much. So if you are asking me, I love it. If you are asking me, the cream blushes and the cream bronzers, are they FDV approved? They are absolutely FDV approved, my darlings. I love these. They're so fun. They're so cute. They remind me, like I said, of back in the day, and they've just brought it back, you understand me? And I love that because they can be lips, they can be cheeks, they can be eyes, they can be anything that you want it to be. The only thing I'll say is that the cream bronzers, for me, give off a contour vibe. It gave me the contour vibe, and it gave me a little bit of what I needed. So let us say I'm on vacation or whatever, I would take this with me, and I would take all of my cheeks, because with my cheeks, I also have my lips. Yes? And then, of course, like I said, you are good to go. And you are looking fabulous. Mwah! Thank you for watching, my darlings. Have a wonderful day, and I will be back very, very, very soon. All of my love, darlings. Stay fabulous, okay? Love you. Mwah. Bye. Vacay. Am I going to have a vacay? I don't know. I want a vacay. Fenty got me ready. I want a vacay.